Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, Oadby, Leicester. Delicious contemporary authentic cuisine, Punjabi, Indo-Chinese and South Indian. We also specialize in outdoor catering. Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, your one-stop for Asian weddings, parties and corporate events. Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, 47 London Road, Oadby. Call Leicester 0116 271 7109.
लो दोस्तों ब्रेक तो बाद थोड़ा स्वागत करते हैं जी आए नु फिर कमांगे जी सदके जी वारी मैं कहना कि जेडे दोनों बच्चे यंगस्टर्स साडे कोल सिंगर्स आए हुए ने दे आर ब्रिलियंट दे आर वेरी टैलेंटेड पीपल ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਸੁਣਾਈਏ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹ ਭੱਜਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫੇਰ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਟੈਲੀਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਔਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਰਾਸ਼ੀ ਜੀ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਈ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਤਮੀਰ ਜੀ short tak hai na pehla lamba kar
You can call me Rash, that's fine.
Lo ji break to pehla aapa jis na gal kiti si Rashi you are going to give us few lines
Hanji, because I went to Saregama-pa, I represented UK.
All right.
There was this one song.
In Bombay?
Yeah, in Bombay. I won the competition here and I went to Bombay.
Acha.
And people, I really enjoyed it. It was an amazing experience. So Shankar ji और प्रीतम जी को बहुत ये गाना पसंद आया था. ये गाती हूँ मैं मेरे ढोलना from the movie भूल भुलैया. मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेंगे जिंदा रहेंगे होके फना तुम ताना देरे देरे ना मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना
wow beautiful
thank you
I think you are more in classical music because of your mom.
Music, yeah.
Because your mom was in classical.
Mom and dad, yeah, both.
In classical music.
I also listen to Western music. I'm a Beyonce freak. Yeah, I love her all her songs. I love Mariah Carey. Yeah, English गाने भी बहुत पसंद है, हिंदी गाने भी बहुत पसंद है. I absolutely adore Lata Mangeshkar. She's my favorite singer.
फिर सीखे कित्थों music?
From my parents.
From your parents.
हाँ, सारा खजाना घर पे था.
और किसे कोल नहीं गए सीखे?
नहीं, बचपन से from my parents.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
तमीर. कित्थों सीखे?
सब कुछ घर पे ही और दोस्तों के साथ. Actually, we started a band in college. So ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग एक्चुअली बैंड के थ्रू होती है. You know, जब आपके साथ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो अलग अलग तरह के इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं और डिफरेंट स्टेट से आते हैं और डिफरेंट नॉलेज लेके आते हैं. सो हम लोगों ने साथ में काफ़ी कुछ सीखा. मोर देन फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग. मैंने कोई फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली है. नहीं. So actually the album which you hear, it's all my composition, my lyrics. I also write.
Oh, you write as well.
Yeah. So that happened because of my band, because I never had an idea that I can write. So one day they were just jamming and I started, writing something, and they actually liked it.
Oh,
या तो सालों ने झूठ बोला होगा.
झूठ बोलने का हुआ करते.
So yeah, and then when you sit together with different instruments and different knowledge, आपको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
बिल्कुल.
So I think that was my training. Yeah. So that's how I learned.
Rashee, do you write as well?
I write my own songs, yeah. Actually, Teri Yaad Aave was written by me, and then I went to Amanji and I was like, I want your music on this because I know you can do this. And he was like, okay, let's just record it, and then record kiya, and it came out really well. बहुत ही सोना सी. बहुत सोना सी. Then Amanji was like, Amanji was
दिल
like,
मंगदा दिखावांगे अपनी दोस्तां ਨੂੰ लेकिन ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਛੱਲਾ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਅੱਧੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ.
Okay.
ਛੱਲਾ ਸੁਣਾਓ ਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ.
Okay.
ਵੀ ਛੱਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਹੈ.
I'll sing the first paragraph.
Yeah, that's right.
छल्ला दे के निशानी न समझी चीज बेगानी वे नेड़े के जाने वे दूर न जावे चले आवे जी नहीं होना कलिया I'll bring Matumbi next time.
ਲੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਾਸ਼ੀ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ। ਲੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ। ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਹੀ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਈ ਸੀ
Bath.
ਬਾਤ
Bath which Hanji.
not bathroom bath
No, the bath, the town.
Tamir ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸਮਝੇ ਕਿ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਚ it's a place called bath
Yeah,
I
it's
wouldn't
a
mind
beautiful place.
ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੋਰੀਓਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ?
Choreographer was there, but मैंने अपने steps खुद किए because when I do my own steps, I'm more confident. Yeah.
That's good. Tamir, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤਲਾਸ਼ ਇਹ launch ਹੋ ਗਈ CD
Yeah, we
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ?
just launched in Leicester. We had a launch party for Talash. Now it's available in UK. We did a launch party in Midas Bar with KK Showbiz, Hits, One Touch Production, and Reshma. So it was a superb launch party. We really had a fun.
Very
Yeah,
good,
so-
very good,
So
fantastic.
slowly you will hear songs from different stations and all.
That's great.
And you can have my CD also.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Rashee, what is the future plans? What is coming now?
Oh, there's loads of things happening. We've got so many collaborations and loads of projects in pipeline. I'm working with, I've recently sung one song with Angrejali.
All right.
Yeah, and now we are doing more collaborations with Mangi Mahal and Benny Dhaliwal. It's
Very
going to be,
good.
yeah, more collaborations, and then I'm working on my own album and my songs, my third single. Loads of stuff happening. I'm really excited.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
You know, you were just gungunaying Naino mein badra chai.
Yeah.
Oh, one line. Then Tanveer's
Yeah.
turn.
नैनों में बदरा छाए बिजली सी चमके आए ऐसे में बना मोहे गरबा लगा ले नैनों में बदरा छाए.
Very good, very good. Tamir, what is your future plans? एक CD तो launch होगी.
Yeah,
चलो.
so
that's
same thing.
on the side now.
Yeah. In UK, I'm actually collaborating with a lot of artists here. I already collaborated with V, H Dola, Roj Killa.
All right.
So we're just coming up with some different kind of
So
music.
you're not less than Rashee.
I think music, it's not about competition, it's more of collaborations, I believe. So yeah, so that's
Very
how I see
good.
music.
In Hindi, you have done?
Yeah, I do, like, I write my lyrics in Urdu, so
अच्छा.
yeah, so they are doing their rap part and I'm doing my Hindi basic.
Hindi bits.
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा मैं देख रही सी सूट मेरे ब्लू पाया है तो शूज थोड़े ब्लू पाए हुए हैं.
मैंने देख लिया था.
Were you trying to do something near to me? Hey, combination.
I just want to beat you.
Come on, give me Mohammed Rafi song.
Yeah, for sure. This is for you, actually.
This is for me. Oh, thank you, darling.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया
So you are dedicating this song to me.
Yeah.
Why is that?
The first one. And the next one is for the girls.
I think it's beautiful. You have got beautiful voice as well, you know. Okay, I'm really glad that I got two these youngsters, upcoming stars, and they both got really beautiful voice.
Thank
know.
you.
And what sort of performance do you do on stage with Hindi songs, English songs or Punjabi songs?
Mix, yeah, I do mix.
You do mix?
Yeah, Hindi, Punjabi and sometimes English numbers. Yeah.
Punjabi?
Yeah.
Do you sing Punjabi songs?
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
Yeah.
Acha. Rashi, what do you do on performance time?
मैं तो हैगी पंजाबी, you know.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬਣਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ
Yeah.
Hello, I was born in Punjab.
Punjab.
I have all the right. I have all the right to be Punjabi.
You've been everywhere.
Yeah,
Didn't leave any
I
place.
can understand Bangla. I was in Calcutta.
You
so
showed
I
me
can
the whole
understand.
Indian map.
Yeah.
I can understand Bangla.
Oh, but I can't speak Bangla. Okay.
I can.
You can.
Yeah.
Okay, Punjabi the jaldi line suna. Come on, now you said it. Punjabi.
I'll just sing a Sufi now and I'll just play, rather not play my guitar, I'll just
Yeah.
sing. It's a Sufi kalam. ਰੱਬਾ ਸੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਬੰਦਿਆ ਜਗ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਤੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਸਾਰਬ ਲਈ ਰੱਬ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਾਲ ਮਾਰ ਪਟਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਕਿ ਦਸ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਓ ਰੱਬ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਜ਼ਤ ਦਾ ਟੁੱਕੜ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਓ ਸਬਰ ਦੇ ਦੋ तेरे मेड़े कर दे तेरे मेड़े कर दे
Wow, wow.
Thank you.
He proved कि मैंने पंजाबी आना है। अच्छा, ये मुंडे दा हेयर स्टाइल देख, मैंने के अपने बाल की कलर कहता था ही है।
You know that's how bands are.
That's great. You
my
more
father also say this every time, you know, cut your hair. Like
your
I already
hair.
did.
Yeah. Rashi, ਹੋਰ ਕੀ hobbies ਨੇ?
Hobbies, apart from this, I'm quite passionate about dance. मुझे break dancing और street dancing का बहुत शौक है.
Oh my God.
हाँ जी, मैं सीख रही हूँ.
सीखे के just शौक है करने का.
सीख रही हूँ अभी और
अच्छा.
थोड़ा बहुत कॉपी भी करती हूँ. Like when I see MJ on stage or when I see Beyonce, या जब मैं in Bollywood, Hrithik Roshan's quite good. So yeah, I watch them
You
and
try to do
I
Hrithik
try
Roshan?
to, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love dancing because it's related to music or मैं performing में I use that. So yeah.
On stage.
Yeah.
So you are open performing.
If I was not in singing, I would have been in dancing. Yeah.
Oh, well, you are in both now. That's great. Yeah. Do you dance, Tamir?
No, actually, the other hobby which
What
I
do you
have,
do on stage then? If you
I
don't
you
dance.
know I play with my band, so you know with band it's a different
You don't have to
game
dance.
altogether now. It's more of like going mad.
So what sort of costume do you wear, both of you, Tamir?
You know, with in India with bands, you actually wear
Weird clothes.
stuff. You know, you can actually go on stage with a short also. You know. Bands are
I think India is getting really,
band is
really
little mad. You know.
broad-minded or forward, you know. With the shorts, you go on stage.
Bands are little
I
mad.
will say, put your clothes on.
No,
Okay.
We wear whatever feel like, you know.
The
it's
band sort of you got.
Yeah.
You can have any sort of
Yeah, it's
costume.
more of
Yeah.
music.
It doesn't
People
matter.
are more bothered about your music, what you sing,
That's right.
not about your appearance. So yeah.
Appearance. Okay. Rashi, what?
Well,
sort
it
of
depends
costume
on
would-
the event. किस तरह का event है. If it's like Punjabi, then pure Punjabi suit.
Suit.
And if it's a club performance, like it was in my launch party, I was wearing a nice prom dress or a cocktail dress. So it depends.
When did
'cause
you have your launch party?
on 29th, and 4G was there as well.
Okay.
Yeah, we had.
Don't tell me 4G had shorts on.
No. We had an amazing night. It was just like the audience was so loving and so supportive. We loved it so much. Or sub like के ऐसे प्यार कर रहे थे ऐसे. They were just touching and just they weren't actually believing it.
They were
as
touching you?
yeah, they were actually touching it as
Are you real one?
Yeah, they were actually
Because
thinking
you
we
are
were
looking
illusion.
doll.
Yeah.
है ना? ताही touch करके देख रहे हो. Is it the real one or not?
Yeah, they might be
Oh, I
like,
can tell those तो real one है.
they were like, we saw her on TV. Is she real? Maybe because I don't know.
Achha.
Yeah, they were.
Because
a
you're
bit-
so sweet looking. You know, Sometimes people, they want to touch
Yeah.
and see if she's the real one.
Yeah.
Do they touch you? No, you do look real one.
In the shorts.
I don't want to explain that.
अच्छा तमीर और की hobbies है? गाने तो
Actually,
इलावा.
I teach. I'm a professor in India.
Oh, are you?
Oh my God.
Rashee, why did you say that?
Yeah, I
Doesn't
know,
he look professor?
I know with that
No, he
appearance-
doesn't wear shorts then when
Yeah,
he's teaching.
With the
With
crowd.
that
What do you
appearance,
teach?
she must be thinking, yeah, right.
What do you teach?
I teach marketing in Symbiosis Institute of Design in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Oh my God, that's so opposite music.
I know I'm quite talented.
Yeah, I just said very talented.
I'm an MBA,
Oh
so
my God. Tell me something more.
no. You know what happens when
You know, I
sit-
can imagine you can cook as well.
I am a superb cook.
Are you?
Oh.
What do you cook?
You tell me and I'll cook.
My
Biryani.
God.
Ask my manager. He's actually eating a lot of stuff. What I mean.
He's asking you to cook.
Yeah.
And he eats.
Yeah.
Oh my
Cook
God.
us some biryani.
I'm super with biryani.
Oh, I love
Fantastic.
biryani.
I'm very impressed.
You know, the teaching, you know what, when you sit at home and, you know, a few things you like to do other than music, you know, which should be your, you know, stress buster.
Okay.
And I really love teaching with my kids. I really enjoy that time.
Your kids?
I'm going to say my students.
I said, don't give me that shock. Rashee, what about you? Do you cook?
No, I'm the worst cook in the whole world. I can't cook. No.
You can't
I
cook?
can only make tea. I
Which tea?
tried
Masala tea, just simple English
just a
tea?
simple tea, English tea. I was trying to make dal once. I messed it up big time. It was just awful. Yeah, I made it like
Punjabi kudi.
I know.
Dal no mess up karta.
I made it like a biryani. It was like
Oh, that's okay.
I
You
was
should have
like-
said this is biryani.
Yeah,
Dal become biryani.
Yeah.
Never
No,
mind.
I'm not-
But you
not a
will be
good cook at
learning
all.
all these things soon, Hannah, because your mum is wonderful.
She's a wonderful cook. Like, but I.
Well, she's a wonderful singer, she's a wonderful cook, and she's a wonderful lady.
mom, yeah.
There you are. She's got so
Yeah.
many qualities.
I might just learn something. Yeah, I can cook
So
jelly.
next time when
I
you
can
come,
make jelly.
bring
yeah.
your biryani.
Okay.
no dal.
Dal become biryani. That's good. That's good. Okay, time is flying.
Yeah.
In the end, what song would you like to give us to our those
I would play one of my album song, you know.
Telash?
Yeah, no, not Talash. From the album Talash.
From the album
It's
Telash.
a love song actually. And, I just would love to play this for all the girls there. अखियां ने हारूं कैसे बत्तियां भुलाऊं कैसे आके देखो मेरी सुनी रातें पल पल बिताऊं कैसे तुमको बुलाऊं कैसे सांसें ये कैसी हैं कि थमती ही नहीं
Kya baat, kya baat. Any chance in Bollywood, because you're living in Bombay,
Yeah, I might do something in future for sure.
like film star or hero or
No,
on singing side?
I can't be a hero. I am a bad actor.
Then you have to cut your hair, you know.
No, I think so. I do have to do something else.
Okay. Bollywood, would you like to?
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind, but I mean, you know, in Bollywood, the singing industry doesn't like exist. Like it only exists in the playback singing. Like it's not like Western music industry like Beyonce or like, you know, JLO, Whitney Houston. It's not like that. It's not that big. So I would like to bring that trend into India. Definitely, yeah.
That's good. Akhirla message, short and sweet. 2 seconds.
Just watch out for my song. It's coming very, very soon. It's called Dil Mangda, and as you know, it's got the music of the great music producer Aman here. It's out tomorrow, actually. It's on Brit Asia, so just check it out and give me lots of love and support, and follow me on Twitter and Facebook.
Just love, follow my music, and go to my website called tamirkhan.com. Follow me on YouTube, Twitter, and support my album. Thank you.
Lo dosto, thank you very much for coming to the Venus
pleasure.
TV and Apne Sitaray, Jagdeep the program.
Thank you, man.
Oh, thank you.
Supporting new artists, it's a big thing, you know.
So
Yeah.
I always support our upcoming stars as well and the old stars. ਦੋਸਤੋ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਤਾਤਾ ਅਗਲੇ ਬੁੱਧਵਾਰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ 8 ਵਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖੂ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖੋਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ
Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, Oadby, Leicester. Delicious contemporary authentic cuisine, Punjabi, Indo-Chinese and South Indian. We also specialize in outdoor catering. Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, your one-stop for Asian weddings, parties and corporate events. Tamarind Leaf Restaurant, Bar and Grill, 47 London Road, Oadby. Call Leicester 0116 271 7109.